welcome back to my channel. I look a little bit crusty because it is like 9 in the morning and I'm gonna go get my lashes done. So I have nothing on my face, nothing on my lashes. My hair is clean and I need to put in my extensions. So I want you guys to come along with me and we'll see how it turns out. Hi you guys, I'm back and I got my lashes did. They are so cute. I freaking love them. Go check out my Lash Tech's page, you guys, her Instagram, because she did such an amazing job. I really do love them. This is what they look like so far. And like they're like so full. That's what I love. And I really don't like them to look this dark, but I actually wanted to go for this darker look because I'm going to Puerto Vallarta and I want them to be full. I want them to look like kind of hybrid-ish, you know? But I also wanted to make this video to show you guys how I'm gonna put in my extensions. A long time ago, someone on my Facebook, it was someone here from Tucson. I don't remember who recommended me to these hair extensions, but they've been like so good to me. I totally recommend this brand here, Bombay Hair. I remember I posted a status on my Facebook and I said, hey, extensions do you guys recommend? And this was one that someone recommended, and thank you so much, girl. I don't remember who you are, but I love this hair. After that comment, I literally went on their website and I bought hair extensions, which are the blonde ones that I would always wear, that I actually dyed like a light brown. These were my blonde ones, and then I dyed them like this caramel color that I had it right before I dyed it this color. And they honestly have gone through like so much. They were bleached, like blonde bleach, I believe, and that's the color that I had gotten them in. And like I put purple shampoo on them, toners, I freaking dyed them this color, and they were still good. Like right now they're all tangled, because they were just thrown in my drawer, but they're good quality, very good quality. And the thing that I love about those extensions are that they literally last you so long. Now I decided to try these, but I decided to try the tape-ins and I want to do them myself. So I'm gonna try. I have my mirror here, so I'm gonna try to apply them and see if you guys can see from that angle there, and we'll see how they look, because I dyed my hair darker, a little bit darker, because I wanted them to match these freaking extensions, and it came out darker than I thought, which at first I didn't really like, but now I'm really liking this like dark tone. Let me show you guys. And they come in this cute little box. So these are the lashes these are the freaking extensions that I got. So I believe there's like 50 pieces of these, but you're supposed to like sandwich them together. So I guess there's only 25 pieces, and then the other one's another 50 pieces, I believe. And I think they're like 100 grams or each little like bundle. Like this is one bundle. But I also heard and seen reviews that there was an Amazon seller that sold really good hair, like where people would get good hair and mix it in with the cheaper hair and it would still give a good result. These. So my issue is that these are lighter than these, and at the time my hair was about this color before I did anything to it, but these are shorter. These are 22s, I believe. Yeah, they're 22s. Can you guys see that? So these are lighter, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to incorporate them because they do have like that other tone, but I feel like all of these mixed in my hair would look good, hopefully. So I already took these, which I'm gonna start applying, obviously, this like the Bombay extension hair, and I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do this because I honestly never have done this. I have watched YouTube videos, which is usually what I do before I do something that I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but we're gonna see how these go. Look at how long and full, and like the hair is like such a good quality. Do you guys see that? You can see that this hair over here, it's like a lot more darker. But I'm hoping it's gonna blend in. Because do you see those two different colors? But the top part, it's like the exact same color. So I'm hoping that it's gonna look like it goes together. And I think these are 24 inches, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Because the 22 weren't this long. Like, do you guys see this in the mirror? Like, but let's go ahead and get started. So the other girl, like in the videos that I've watched, they had like their hair straightened and clean hair. So that's what I did. I washed my hair today and I blow dried it, and all I have in it, I don't have no product. I just have the shampoo. I do actually have a little bit of oil, and I remember the girl saying that you shouldn't have any oil. Did I put oil? I don't know. I don't remember. So we're gonna see how they hold up. I thought I hadn't put any product. Maybe I did. I don't know. So the girl in the video, like, she parted it. So she left like this much that she didn't like put any extensions on, because like if you want to put it up, you can hide it with this piece of hair, I guess. So let's put this up. So that's what it looks like. So I have this piece here. I think that's a little bit too high though. So that piece, I'm not gonna put any extensions on. So let's move on to the back. And I saw a video where the girl like puts them in, like she puts her extensions, like just tracks. So I'm gonna try doing that because I seen her do it and it looks easy. So we're gonna try the extension. You have to remove like this plastic part right here. It's like where the tape is at. And that's it. And then that's the glue. So try to not touch the glue. She just like grabs it. And with your fingers, try to feel where you want to stick it on. So the girl, she said not to put it too close to the scalp so it doesn't pull. So I already put it on here. And then she says to like flip this back. Like squish it on there. And then pick it up. And then you have to grab another one and literally put it right there, like sandwich it together. I'm gonna remove the tape again. Look at how they look. Okay. And then this part, you're supposed to put it under the part that you just applied. So there's the first piece. But you have to make sure you put it right on the other little sandwich. And then you're supposed to heat this up. Oh, it's not even on. But you're supposed to put it on for a few seconds on it so it can like clamp it together and the glue can like hold it. I don't know how much hair you're supposed to grab, but I know you're not supposed to grab like too little bit, or else it like that's when it pulls on your hair, or like too much, because I don't know why. I think I'm putting them like too close because I don't think they're supposed to stand up like this. Oh, that shit's hot. So far I have 4 pieces in. I think I grabbed like too much hair right here, and I cannot seem to close it. Like it's not on the other hair, you know? I pulled it off. They come out pretty easy, so that kind of scares me. It's so hard. Okay, so I'm gonna comb it out. Let's see how it's looking. I mean, so far, let's keep going. I keep putting them like 2 up. Do you guys see that? With this though, so far in love. Obviously this has to go down. Like, I don't know if I should take the bottom one off. I think I'm just gonna leave it. But you're not supposed to put it that close to your scalp. Do you see how it stands up? I mean, they kind of move around, so I mean, it hurts. We'll see how this one does. Doesn't seem to be on there very well. So this is what the back is looking like. Halfway so far. And then here you're gonna see me applying them in the front portion of my hair. As you can see, the front portion was a lot easier to do just because I could see what I was doing and I was getting the hang of it already. So it was a lot more quicker and easier for me to finish the front portion. Literally, that is all you do, you guys. Like, who is she? Comb it out, squish it. I'm kind of glad that I don't have my nails, because if I did, I wouldn't be able to like feel it, you know? And that's kind of what's really helping me, like being able to feel it. So this is what I have so far, you guys. I'm almost done with the half of it. It looks so good so far. Let me show you guys the back. Okay guys, after like 30 minutes or 40 minutes, it didn't take that long, I finished it. And tell me, this does not look so good. I freaking love it, you guys. Like, I thought it was gonna be like a huge difference, which maybe in the sun you're gonna be able to see, but right now, I mean, it looks very well blended. And then my haircut was like really rough to like hide. But the good thing is that I didn't straighten my hair. When I showered today, I only like went through with it with a straightener. So my hair is not done. So this is nice. Like, for it to blend like this looks very good. I do need to wait and see and to wash them and see how they fade and stuff, because I do know my hair is gonna fade. It's been fading. Every time I wash it, it fades. The color fades. So eventually it's gonna get exactly to this color. And I've heard you're supposed to change them or move them up every like month and a half to 2 to 3 months, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm gonna try and do like the removal process, like, and all of that, and retape them and see if they're gonna work for a retape, or if we're gonna be able to use them again for the next time. But yeah, so far I have no complaints. They're pretty easy to do. It was very hard in the beginning, but once you get like the hang of it, and then once you get to the top portion, it's a little bit faster because you can see and you already got the hang of it. But it's very nice quality, you guys. Like, the quality, I cannot lie to you guys. Like, do you guys see that shine? And they're long, you guys. I put all of them in. The last 4, I didn't sandwich them, so I hope they stay in. I just like, but I want to show you guys how it looks like. They're so freaking long, and I'm obsessed. So today overall was a good day. As you guys know, I got my lashes done and they are bomb. So hit up my lash tech. I will leave all her socials below. Look at them, admire them. They're so cute. And I did my hair extensions by myself. They look great. I love them. You guys comment down below and tell me what you guys think. But anyways, you guys, I'm like super obsessed with my hair, as you guys can tell. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.